A virus, from the Latin meaning toxin or poison, is a microscopic organism consisting of genetic material, RNA or DNA, surrounded by a protein, lipid, or glycoprotein coat. Some microbiologists classify viruses as microorganisms, while others don't because they are non-living and describe viruses as microscopic infective agents. Viruses are unique microorganisms because they cannot reproduce without a host cell. After contacting a host cell, a virus will insert genetic material into the host and take over the host's function. The cell, now infected, continues to reproduce, but it reproduces more viral protein and genetic material instead of its usual products. It is this process that earns viruses the classification of parasite. Viruses may spread from either mother to child or from person to person. A virus's ability to spread depends on the makeup of the virus. Some viruses can spread by simple contact, such as exchanges of saliva, coughing, or sneezing. Some require sexual contact, while others go through the fecal-oral route, which is when contaminated food or water goes from the mouth of one person to another. Several human diseases are caused by virus, some of which are smallpox, the common cold, measles, chickenpox, hepatitis B, influenza, HPV, which is human papillomavirus, shingles, herpes, rabies, polio, and HIV. Viral infections require either vaccinations to prevent them or antiviral drugs to treat them. Vaccinations are generally the cheapest and most effective way to prevent viruses. Currently, vaccinations exist for polio, measles, mumps, rubella, and smallpox. In fact, vaccinations have been the instrument in eliminating diseases such as smallpox and reducing other viral diseases to being extremely rare to be able to be infected by. Vaccinations consist of a weakened form of the virus or viral proteins called antigens. Antiviral drugs have been developed largely in response to the AIDS epidemic. These drugs do not destroy the pathogen, but instead delay their development. Antiviral medications are relatively harmless to the health. In this video, our group not only wanted to give you a brief overview of what a virus is and how to get it, but we also want to go deeper in and show you what one of the most common viruses are, which is HIV, and to show you what it is, how you get it, and how to prevent it. Hope you enjoy.
HIV is a human immunodeficiency virus. It is slow replicating retrovirus. HIV affects the immune system by infecting vital cells like helper T cells. It infects humans when it comes in contact with vagina, anal area, mouth, eyes, and break of skin. Mutation makes HIV resistant to drug therapy. HIV was discovered in 1981 when homosexual men had lung infection, pneumonia, and rare skin tumors called Kaposi sarcomas. Many people have symptoms in the first year or as long as 20 years. Most symptoms are fever, aching muscles, joints, sore throat, swollen glands in the neck. Two tests that monitor HIV in people is one counts number of CD4 cells and the other sees amount of virus in the body. HIV causes AIDS.
HIV is a virus that destroys cells in your blood crucial to fighting disease and sickness. HIV is one of the most serious and deadly diseases in history. Blood is part of the circulatory system and is contracted by sexual activity, also known as the reproductive system. When you are infected with HIV, your immune system is weakened, and it also destroys your CD4 helper lymphocyte cells, which are lymphocytes that are part of your body's immune system that help fight off infections. When HIV destroys them, it causes people to get serious infections that they wouldn't normally get. It also destroys your T cells, which are cells that help kill affected cells that have infections. All of this causes you to have a weaker immune and lymphatic system. If the disease gets worse, it can lead to AIDS. which stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. When you have AIDS, you are unable to fight off infections, particularly tuberculosis and other kinds of rare infections, such as meningitis, which is the surface covering of the brain, and encephalitis, which is the covering of the brain itself. It greatly lowers the chances of protecting your body against disease, so you are more prone to sickness. It is not something you acquire, but something that can be developed when you have HIV.
Hey Cleo, why'd you get home so late last night?
I was at a party at my friend's house.
And then what happened?
Well, we started playing pool, and then
And then?
a friend came with alcohol.
Uh-huh.
So, started drinking, and then I think I had a little bit too much, so I can't really remember anything.
And then what led after that?
Morning of, I woke up in the bed with someone I didn't know.
What? Someone you didn't know? Are you
No.
stupid?
Well, stupid.
Did you have sex with her?
I don't remember. When I woke up, my pants were down, to be honest.
Oh my gosh, you are stupid. So did you guys do it?
I guess we did.
Do you know if she has like HIV or something?
I don't know anything about her.
Oh my god, you really just are stupid. Like, what the? So, are you gonna get tested?
Well, I'm planning to go next Tuesday. So
You should. Because
going
you
to.
don't know her and you don't even know if she has an STD or anything.
I'm going to get checked, don't worry. Yeah?
I can trust you with almost anything, right?
Well, I am your brother.
Okay, well, you know how you said you went to a party?
What about it?
I went to one too.
And?
Stuff happened. I saw my ex and then we started talking and then,
Were you drinking?
yeah. And then we ended up doing it.
You call me the stupid one?
Well, I know him, so it's different.
He's your ex.
Yeah, now I don't know like what to do because I don't know if he did it with any other girls when we broke up.
So what do you plan on doing now?
Should I get tested?
Yes, you should get tested.
I guess.
Yeah.
I got tested today.
And what were the results?
Negative.
Good for you.
What were yours?
Positive?
No way.
Wait.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know what to do. What should I do?
HIV positive people live long, healthy lives. Just because you have HIV doesn't mean you'll die tomorrow.
If you have done anything sexual, you might as well get tested for HIV just to be safe.
Hey, do you guys know where the school clinic is?
Yeah, you want us to show you?
Yeah, but we're doing it separately. We aren't gay, nothing.
For why though? Why do you need to go to the clinic?
Because it's personal, you know. Hey, they keep it confidential, right?
Yes, they do. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
This is not.
You're gonna be positive.
Friday. I'm supposed to know if I'm positive.
Look, the clinic.
Oh, here it goes.
Oh wow! The clinic.
So, what do you think about HIV?
I think that it's a disease that can be cured.
What are your hopes for curing HIV in the future?
My hopes are that HIV will not exist anymore and that there's going to be enough people that will donate to the cause so that there won't be such a disease named HIV. It'll just be all a happy place.
How do you think we could prevent HIV?
By having classes and having people more aware of the disease, and also by being more aware when you're with a partner, making sure that you're protected.
Okay, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
random chick I didn't know.
What? Are you serious?
I think I got it in, to be honest.
Why'd you get home so late last night? Why?
I had too much to drink. I was at a party.
For what?
Party for what? Alright, this is T-cell. This is HIV. You know what they do?